Hello students, welcome to my channel. Students, in this session we discuss 1 mark and 2 mark question for your annual exam. This is set 2, already completed set 1. So let's start the session. If CP equal to 75 rupees, SP equal to 50 rupees, then find the gain or loss percent. In this type of question, you should remember what is CP. CP means cost price. Then when CP is greater than the SP, in that case loss occur, and when the SP is greater than CP, in that case gain will occur. Gain, we can say that profit. So profit means SP minus CP, because SP is greater than. Now loss equal to CP minus SP, because in loss CP is greater than. Understand? So here loss, so loss equal to 75 minus 50, that is 25 rupees. Okay, next, if x equal to given, y equal to minus 3, z equal to minus 1, then find the value. Simply we can put the value. So now put 3 into x equal to 2, so put the value 2 minus 2 into, in place of y we put minus 3, then plus 4 into minus 1. Now solve. 3 2 ja 6 minus, it minus plus, 3 2 ja 6 plus minus minus, 4 1 ja 4. 6 plus 6, that is 12, minus 4, that is 8. So answer is 8. Next, write the expression 5 more means plus 5, yes or no? If there is the 5 less, then we should subtract minus 5, yes or no? Then 5 more than 2/3 of y, that is 2 by 3, that is 2/3 of 1 into y. Okay, next. What is the power of the variable of the linear equation? That is 1. Solve the linear equation. So x is equal to, here plus 8 are there. When we take the right side, then it will be minus 8. So 4 minus 8, that is here the different sign are there. When the different signs are there, we simply subtract from big number to small number, that is 4, and the big number sign, that is minus. So answer is minus 4. Next, question number 8. A dash has the endpoint, one endpoint, and extend without limit one direction, that is ray. You should remember also what is line and what is line segment. Line segment means there is the two endpoint, that is start and end. This is known as line segment. Lines means no endpoints. It extend endlessly in both direction, is known as line. Also you remember the plane. What is plane? The plane we extend in all direction is called plane. Okay, is known as plane. Next. There is only one line pass through a point. No, false. How? Because if a one point are there, we can draw infinite. That is, suppose this is a point, we can draw this line, also this, like way we can draw infinite number of the line. But the question asks 2 points, then we can pass only one line. Understand? Next question. This is important question, okay, 8 number. Next, question number 9. If one angle of a right angle triangle, first tell me, there are the 3 types of triangle are there. Suppose this is triangle. Triangle means according to side, this is 3 types, and according to angle also 3 types. Side means one is scalene and equilateral, then isosceles. Then angle means right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angle triangle. Yes or no? So here is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means the triangle which one angle must be right angle triangle means one angle must be right angle means 90, other is 35, so also third angle is 180 because sum of the three angle is 180 degree, so minus 90 plus 35, so 90 plus 35 that is 125, yes or no, so 180, so minus kar diya simply 5 7 2 वाले 555 degree. Okay, next find the two angle, so other angle is 90 and 55. Next question, can we construct the triangle with the angle this measure? In this type of question we should check the sum of the three angle must be 180 degree, if not then it is not a triangle. Okay, simply sum 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15, 15 means no, not equal to 180 because in 180 there is the one digit is 0, that's why it is not a triangle. Okay, so no, answer is no. Sorry. Next question, question number question, can you construct the triangle with measurement this? If the side are given, how to check? The sum of the any two side must be greater than the third side. Okay, so 6 plus 4 0, Kerala 1 6 3 9 8 10, so equal to 10, so it is not a triangle. Understand? If the sides are given, you should add any two sides, means 3 times you add. Okay, suppose first यदि add कला पर यदि satisfy करे then second को करिवो, second कले third को करिवो, means जदि भी तीनटा भितर गोटे satisfy करिवनी सेही केस आमे कहबा एटा गोटे triangle नुहो. Okay, means A plus B greater than C, also check A plus C greater than B, also B plus C greater than A. Okay, ये तीनटा चेक करिवो, तीनटा भितर यदि सब जाक satisfy करिवो then सेटा गोटे triangle, otherwise not. Okay, next, find the distance traveled by the Sangeeta if she take one round square per the side of 10. Okay, one round means perimeter it cover, yes or no? Perimeter cover means perimeter means 4 into side, so side equal to 10, that is 40 meter, yes or no? So Sangeeta complete 40 meter, the cover 40 meter. The area of the plastic sheet given, so we know that area equal to 300 square meter per centimeter square, length equal to 30, we know that area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth, is equal to area. In place area we put 300, in place of length we put 30, so 30 into breadth is equal to 300, so breadth is equal to 300 divided by 30, now 0 0 cancel, 3 10 ja, so answer is 10. Okay, next question, question number 15, write the tally mark. Okay, we know that tally mark is the pair of the 5 line, perpendicular line are there, 1 2 3 4 and cross is incline is 1 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 1 16. Suppose given is 12, how to draw? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Understand? Next question, question number 16, fill in the blanks. Pictograph represent in the form of the picture, that is 5, so we can write 5 glass. Okay, in this way. Next question, cost price of an article is given, so we can write CP is equal to 150, yes or no? Sorry, 150 rupees. Gain percentage, if SP equal to given rupees 175, here gain is occur, so gain equal to SP minus CP, so 175 sorry minus 150. So 5 minus 0, 5. Then 752. So 25 rupees. So write down gain percentage. Formula is gain by CP into 100. So gain equal to 25 rupees divided by CP equal to 150 into 100. So 0 0 cancel. 5 2 ja, sorry 5 3 ja, 5 2 ja, that is 50 divided by 3 is equal to 3 1 ja 3, 20, 3 6 ja 20, sorry 18, then 66 paisa. Okay, sorry 60.66 percentage. Next question, find the amount. Okay, so P is equal to given principal. So principal equal to rupees 2000. Then time equal to 6 month is equal to 6 by 12 year is equal to 1 by 2 year. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. So R equal to given 4 whole 1 by 2 percentage, that is 9 by 2 percentage. So amount, first we find the simple interest. So simple interest formula is PTR by 100, PTR by 100. Now value of P is equal to 2000 into T. So T equal to 1 divided by 2 into R equal to 9 divided by 2. So into 100. Now 100 cancel. 2 10 ja, 2 5 ja, 9 5 ja 45. So write down the amount. So amount equal to P plus SI. So P equal to 2000 plus 45, that is 2045 rupees. Okay. Next question. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, perimeter of the rectangle formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So area given, so write down area of rectangle is equal to 650 centimeter square. So length given nahi, so length equal to L and breadth with 13 centimeter. We know that, we know length into breadth is equal to area. So length into breadth equal to 13 equal to 650. So L equal to 650 divided by 13. 13 5 ja, 13 0 ja centimeter. So now find the perimeter. Perimeter formula is 2 L plus B. So 50 plus 13. So 50 plus 13 equal to 2 into 3 6, that is 6 12 126 centimeter. Understand? First you should find the length, then in perimeter put the value L and B, then you should find the perimeter. Okay. Next our question. Now find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region means total square ame minus kariba, yes or no? Okay, area of the shaded region equal to, write down area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of 4 into area of the small square minus 4 into area of small square. Yes or no? So big square side equal to 10. So 10 square minus 4 into 1 square. So 100 minus 4 equal to 96 centimeter square. Okay, next question. Solve for x. Okay, first rearrange, that is 5x minus 3x, because left side को आइले minus ହେଇଯିବ plus ଅଛି, so equal to 8. Right side 8 थला, so write down 8. Here is plus. When go to the right side, then it becomes minus. So 5 minus 3, that is 2x, is equal to 6. X equal to 3. Okay, or 6 by 2 equal to 3. Next question. Find the values. Okay, so first find out this value. How to find? Write down BAE angle plus BAC angle is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Linear pair. Yes or no? Now put the value. BAE is equal to 120 plus BAC is equal to 180. Now BAC is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. Now by exterior angle property, we can write ACD angle is equal to sum of the exterior opposite interior angle, that is B angle plus BAC angle. So this is 112, this is X, this is 60. So X equal to right side left side को 60 को 112 minus 60. So X is equal to 2, 11, 6, 52. So 52 degree. Okay, next. Solve. Okay, 2x minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 9. First rearrange. So 2x right side को नियो. So 3x already थला minus 2x. Now left को नियो 9 को. Already 5 अच्छी minus 9. So this is minus 14. This is minus x. So x equal to minus 14. What will happen? The area is square if the side is double. Suppose side is A. Now side is double means 2A. So area before double, area equal to how much? A square. Now area equal to 2A the whole square, that is 4A square. So area will 4 times. So like the area becomes 4 times. Okay, next solve. Here same sign. So here same sign means we add, that is 639, 426 minus plus 50. Now different sign means subtract. 9009 651. The big number sign is minus. So answer is minus 19. Solve using the number line. Okay, first draw a number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay, first 0 to minus 3. 0 to minus 3. Now 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again minus 2 left को. Minus 2 is 1, 2. Answer is 0. Okay. completed. If you like this session, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. Okay, thank you.